guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming here, and today we are doing a 10 subscribers special. Thank you for crushing that support on the channel. We got up to 10 subscribers. We have, 10 subscribers and 106 views. Thank you guys for crushing that support. Today we are going to be doing we're going to do a round of Phantom Forces with Penguin on our team vs Helper. Shout out to Helper for helping and not helping me. Helper 123156. I'm gonna be going against who's a level 147, who's literally impossible to kill. He killed me about 20 times and he got 100 kills and 3 deaths. Okay, so let's get into this. No! Okay, that was a practice round. We're gonna try getting no deaths. I'm not counting that death for you, though. Okay, let's run over here. Run. Run. No, he's gonna kill me. Run. You killed Helper? I'm staying on the outskirts of the map so I don't die. Ow! I need a ballistic tracker on this thing. I might save up for one. I might open a few cases this episode. If you guys want to play Phantom Forces, quickly join me. I'm probably going to be doing a live stream pretty soon. Run. Run. Go! I'm running as far as I can away from the map. No! Are you kidding me? That was also a practice round. Okay? If you guys are new to my channel, leave a like, subscribe on the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video, and enjoy. Are you kidding me? That did not count. The whole team just spawned on top of me. Okay, let's at least try not to get 15 deaths. That sounds reasonable. V. Yeah, you know, I've got a Scar and I have my Dragunov. Not my Dragunov, my AWSs. Are you kidding me? Okay, Helper, anytime Helper kills me, does not count. Helper is on you, Yuta. Block his bullets. Kill him. He's not very much of a help, though. Ow! See? Ah! I just killed myself from falling. Wait, what the heck? That guy didn't kill me. I killed myself by grenading myself. I didn't get shot. Ooh! Yuta, can I use the BFG? Yuta, can I pick up a BFG? Okay. You can pick up my Dragunov if you die. You can pick up the Dragunov, I don't mind. Oh my god! Yuta has a ballistic tracker on it! This... Oh my god, I love the BFG. Dude, we might have to swap. We might have to make a truce on. You may be able to use Dragunov soon. No! No! I killed myself from falling! BFG, how much does it cost? Are you kidding me? I can't even afford that anywhere near. What level do you unlock it? Dude. Hold on. I'm going to go kill somebody here. No! How did he shoot me? I died before he shot me. He didn't even pull the trigger. I didn't reach a character. I got killed by somebody else. I had somebody completely else kill me. Dude, can you grenade yourself so I can pick up your BFG? I see somebody on the roof. Got a shot fired on him. I hit him once. Okay, Penguin, my goal is to get 36. My goal is to break 36 kills in this episode. By the way, I'm using the AWS right now. Dude, follow me, follow me. Come on. How far out can you actually run? I want to know that. You can run that far on this map? There's a guy on the roof. I know, I'm trying to get a nice shot. I need to see. It's not worth it. If I get 7 more deaths, I lose. Ow! What the heck? These guys are literally hacking. They're teleporting onto me. I literally I do a full 360, and I look up, and the guy lands on top of me. When I'm on top of a roof, there's nothing higher than that. No, that means that that guy it wasn't there. Yeah, but the Dragunov doesn't shoot fast enough. That's the problem. Ow! What the heck? This helper is hacking. He just teleported. He literally, once I got on the roof, I blinked and he landed right. No, I just watched him teleport onto me. He literally teleported right behind me. Are you freaking kidding me? Dude, I I can't get 4 more deaths anymore. Ah! What the heck? These guys have aimbot on. This guy's pointing a complete different direction than me, and he literally shoots. And I watched the guy. The bullet came from the back of his body and hit me. That's impossible to do without aimbot. No! Ugh! I can't get 2 more deaths. I can't get 2 more deaths. Okay? Go, 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 go. Thank you guys for crushing that support. If you guys make it that far, leave in the comments. Leave in the comments. Leave in the comments. Swag. Write swag in the comments if you made it this far. What is an MG36 you though? I have an MG36 on me. You can have 100 ammo used at a time. Go! Now! No! I almost killed Helper! I have 14 deaths. I cannot die again. I need you to give me that BFG. Dude, spawn in, go to the outskirts, and grenade yourself after I spawn you. Okay, grenade yourself. Grenade yourself, I need the BFG now. No, I need you to grenade yourself now. Or die. V. Got the BFG. Got him! Got a shot at him. Spawn on me. Dude, spawn on me. I need your help. Ow, no, I died! Okay, I'm raising it to 18 deaths. That 15 deaths wasn't fair on the server. Okay, you don't spawn on me. Dude, spawn on me. Are you? Dude, I have 16 deaths. Dude, I need you to spawn and give me that BFG and then spawn on me again. Dude, spawn in with the BFG now. Okay, grenade yourself. Give me the BFG, and then you spawn back on me immediately. Look down, grenade yourself. Okay. Now spawn on me, spawn on me, spawn on me. Look at the roof. What's the... I know. Oh, that guy just died. Are you kidding me? See ya, guys. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.